What's up, Airsoft operators? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your Primary Airsoft adapter onto your Hi-capa or Glock gas blowback magazines. Now the Glock version is going to fit onto the Tokyo Marui magazine as well as WeTech magazines. The Hi-capa version is going to work with WeTech and Armorer Works magazines, but it doesn't work with the Tokyo Marui magazine because the BB channel is a little too wide on the TM magazine, and the BBs tend to jam up as they're going up through the magazine and into the gun. I'm currently working on a solution to that problem, but right now I recommend sticking with the WeTech or AW magazines. You want to make sure that you get the standard magazine that normally comes with the WeTech guns that has the large base right here. There's another version that has a smaller base, and the adapter won't work with that version of magazine. What you're going to want to do to install the adapter onto your mag is start by removing the base plate and removing the screw that holds the base onto the bottom of the magazine. Take the spring and the follower out. We won't be needing those anymore. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the O-ring off of the base and install it onto your adapter. Now you're going to take a little bit of silicone oil and add a few drops into the magazine. That's going to allow the O-ring to make a nice seal in the bottom of the magazine. Also add a little drop on the screw. Now when you're going to screw the mag back together, I recommend using a large screwdriver so you don't strip out the screw. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to notice this little gap between the mag and the adapter. It's going to start closing up. You want to get it all the way down up against the adapter. Now we're going to install the Airline. Just check for any leaks. And I'll just loosen the screw here. So you can hear an air leak. So you know what to listen for. If you hear that sound, just tighten up the screw till it stops. Now we're going to install the mag. We'll check to make sure that it's feeding properly. And when you change the mag, 2 of the BBs are going to fall out. The rest of the BBs are going to stay inside the magazine. So then when you go and install your mag again, you're ready to go. The Glock Mag is going to install the same way. Just remove the base plate, remove the screw, remove the base, spring and follower, take the O-ring off, install it onto the adapter. Make sure you add the oil so it seals. Oil on the screw. Tighten it up and you're ready to go. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.